Alright, I decided the best thing to do was just smash them down just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so it said half a cup of water, which is in there, and then 5 tablespoons. If you want one of these, it's in my little store over on Amazon. They're really pretty cool to hold your baggie when you're mixing stuff. Then we're just going to mix it up like that. And this one here, it says to just put breading in it. I'll get that breading in there and we'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to show you here. We're going to take our first breast, get her in there. Actually, I'm going to take it off of here because I'm going to go ahead and seal her up. Butt that chicken. Butt that chicken. Now we're going to take her and move her over into the dry. Just as so. Just want to get it all coated up. I don't know if I need more or not. I don't think so. But we want to get it well coated. 3 big boys, man. Look at that. Woo-wee! Alright, so what we're going to do, put them in there. I did spray some Evo spray olive oil in there. It says to air fry for 25 minutes on high. So what I will do is I will go 2 minutes, and then I will olive oil spray the top. And then I've also got some avocado spray in there. And then I'll go for half the time. I'll look at it. I'll check the temperature. And at that point in time, I will decide whether to flip them, leave them, keep cooking them, or whatever. And we'll be back. We'll be back at the halfway mark. Top on, bottom on. I forgot to tell you, a Canadian cold front came through. It's now 76 degrees. Yeah! We were at Maddie's soccer game last night and the wind was just blowing from Canada. Actually got a little chilly. Alright, we're at the halfway point. On chicken you go to 165. We're 12 minutes in. We're going to do 8 more minutes. Alright, we're 22 minutes in. Let's check that temp. Boom, 165. 170, 171, 170. Alright. For one, I hear it sizzling a little bit. That actually looks really good. Gigi's making some pull apart garlic knots that Melissa over One Hot Bite, she made it just the other day and I was like, okay, we're going to make it your way. We like making stuff like this. This is awesome. This turned out awesome smelling. Oh, and look at these. The pull apart garlic. Ooh, hot. The pull apart garlic. What was the other name of that? Yeah. I don't remember. I'll leave a link to it below. It was with Melissa over there at One Hot Bite. Oh my good. I'm gonna cut this up. Be back. We'll do a taste test. Again, this bread. She said do every other one. I did them all. Alright. What that chicken? Right here. What that chicken? There it goes. This is the regular or the normal seasoned, not the hot and spicy. Yes. Papa approved, really good. There's a little twist I would do with it, but I'm not going to tell you on this video. So, anyway, we're going to do the hot and spicy next, or the 2 after, whatever video that is, when we get our computer back. Leave me a thumbs up, at least. Or subscribe for more outdoor cooking with Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya.